Hey guys, it's Allison. So today is gonna be an everyday makeup look. I don't wear this every day. I'm always home, so I'm not wearing makeup. Scratch that. But if I do go out, well, I just put on mascara and do my eyebrows. But you know, before all of this, I used to wear this natural look. So this is what I'm going to show you guys. So if you guys want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. These clips look dumb on me, but we're just going to get started. So I'm going to put a little bit of cream on. This is the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehls. And this is my favorite cream of all time. I'm always using it. This is probably my second or third tub of it, but I want to put a little bit because I am gonna put like something else on, so I don't want to have it that like wet or like slippery. I don't know how to describe it, but we're just gonna moisturize my face. So this is a new product that I got, I think around Christmas time, and this is the Glossier Future Dew, and it's so nice, the packaging. It's just oil serum hybrid, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on, which makes your skin kind of glowy, so when you put on the rest of your makeup, you know, it's a dewy look. So we're gonna put a little bit of this. So I got this Mercier tinted moisturizer, oil-free natural skin perfector in Biscay, I think that's the color. But I just got this. I tried it on the other day on my wrist. Kind of seemed a bit darker than my shade, so I don't know if I should use it, but I feel like it was not that bad. So if anything, don't judge me, because I don't know how this is really gonna look on my face, but hopefully it looks good. As long as I blend and blend down to my neck, I think I'll be fine. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it would be. I don't know how it actually looks on camera. I don't think it looks that bad in real life. So we're just gonna put on the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and it's in the shade Natural Beige. So I don't know where my small one of my Mercier powder is, but I do have the big one, so I'm gonna just put some under my eye to just set it. So I just patted that under my eye. I didn't leave it there to bake. I feel like when I bake, like, it turns out really white, and I don't like that. I don't know. I like it to be all natural. So the next thing we are going to do is my eyebrows. I always forget to do my eyebrows sometimes, so we're just gonna do that. And like always, is the Anastasia dipbrow pomade in medium brown. I actually got a new one. I don't know why I'm using the old one, but we're just gonna let that slide today. that is all for my eyebrows. I try to make it still natural and everything because I don't like when it's like really dark. So I did that. Forgot to powder my whole face, so I'm using the MAC medium golden mineralized skin finish, and it just looks like that. I'm just gonna powder my face. Forgot to put on chapstick in the beginning, but I'm gonna put the Glossier birthday balm.com one on. Now we're gonna do some eyeshadow, and I usually just put on some of this, the Hoola bronzer, on my crease, and then put the highlighter on my inner corner. So that is basically what I do. So I'm gonna do that really quickly. For bronzer, I am going to put the Hoola bronzer on like I did with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to just bronze my face up. So for blush, I'm going to use my cloud paints from Glossier. These are the colors. This is the one that I use the most. I'm gonna mix Dusk and Storm together and make some kind of color onto my cheeks. Hopefully it turns out right, because it dries pretty quickly. So hopefully, you know, everything goes well. Okay, I think I fixed it, hopefully. So for highlighter, I'm using the Mercier manizer, one of my favorite highlighters. So I'm just gonna grab it and highlight my face. There's always that one side I like better. So I'm gonna take off these clips because they're not really staying in my hair. But the last thing is mascara. Love mascara. That's the only thing that I would put on a daily basis, to be honest. But if I want a full face of makeup, here it is. I usually put lip balm or lip gloss. This is the Glossier clear lip gloss. But I'm just gonna put on mascara. These are my two favorite mascaras at the moment. It's the Sky High Maybelline mascara and the Loreal telescopic. I'm gonna use the telescopic because the Sky High one like poked my eye out the other day. So yeah, we're just gonna use this, and I'm just gonna curl my lashes. This is my favorite thing to do. Mascara is my favorite. Well, it isn't my mascara poking my eye, it's my fingers, my nails. But here is the finished look. Let's look at my mirror. See? Cute, cute, natural, natural. love doing natural looks. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.